TOMICA factory, and then let's open it up. It's so hard.
You just
I
pop
think
up
I
here.
got it.
Is it hard?
Not hard for me. Then we have the other side. There we go. Wow. Now let's put this together. Here is this, and this. This, and then put it like,
Okay. これ何? What was this bit?
and then this piece of it.
Okay.
And then we have a lot of here, here. I not that.
I think you passed it, yeah.
That. Another cut coming.
Okay. Oh, that's cool. What's this step 3? Here we go. And you wanna pass the car?
Somewhere around here. And we need the soldier car first.
Can you put the car on a parking spot?
Mama, I want to put these two phones.
Okay. To warn people. Okay, go up.
Where's the
Bring the
first?
car up. And park on the roof.
Okay, roof.
You made a circle? What cool! Where's the helicopter, Lisa?
Helicopter! I found the helicopter. Yeah, here you go. It's the windshield. Well, it says a police helicopter. It's a little bit big for it. Look, it's really small. It has this on it. I know it's okay.
That's a helipod.
Helipod.
You put the helicopter in there.
Yeah, like that garage on top. You see that garage on top?
Okay, fix the car again.
Oh, wait a second.
Wow, lots of cars.
A lot of cars. I need to go here. And then we need to do this.
What's this doing? Catch it.
I have to
And
check the
the
car.
yes, number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2, that
Open the car up. If the
jack up.
no, the
Oh,
people
I see.
check. The
Yeah.
people check underneath it.
Yes. And finally,
It's done. Now another.
table.
Now this one car coming. And this one.
Look coming. What's this car?
I don't know what it's called.
It's a cool car.
So now I need a here in the car. The one.
Number 1.
If there are space here, you can go here. And no space, you can go here.
Okay.
Now it's done.
Oops.
Uh-oh. Oopsie. The line is closer.
Here we go.
The line is getting closer, Mama, but the pickup is really left there.
Okay, another car coming. What's that car?
A sports car.
Yeah. Yellow sports car.
Oh, no. I
You
want
plugging the car now? Okay.
when black cars goes at the turns.
Number 2.
This one will not open. You don't need
Oops.
that.
Okay. Another car. checking the yellow car, please.
No, so it's not a yellow car, it's a yellow sports car.
Yellow sports
Hey, this is a yellow race car.
Oh, okay. But first you have to take care of this car.
Now go close. Bye-bye.
Okay. Here you go. Check the tire. It's fast.
No.
Another yellow car came.
Oh, this one. Where's I will every cars like that.
Okay, that's cool. Checking. Jack up, down, up, down. Oh, careful.
It's happening like a wait for me. Oh, this one goes this way. It's black. I like it.
Number 4. How many of them?
3 left. Oh, not like that. I made a mistake. I made a mistake, huh?
No, what's the car? What's this car called?
A pickup truck?
Is it? I don't know what it is.
Oh, this is a pickup truck.
I think this is Japanese truck.
This is... Yeah. TOMICA truck.
What have you got?
I got 2 bags.
Oh, that's a big basket too.
Yeah. Now I need to go 50. Oh, so the 50 here.
And we have
That's
blue.
good.
Why?
We have white.
28.
And this one,
7.
one blue.
Mom, do you know the big numbers go, the big race cars faster ones go there. Now and the slow cars goes here.
Okay. Another sports car? Next.
We have the another.
Oh, so next we will need to be 61.
That's the cat.
That's number 9 car.
Look.
It's okay.
Oh yeah.
You have to pull back.
We have Holiday right here. We have more colors.
Project.
A lot of colors right here.
Wait. And Jaka.
And we have this one.
Boom.
This white one. Yeah.
Yeah.
And turn around.
Turn around. And then go the 61. Because he's fast.
6.
And he goes 2. No.
Why?
This one, this last one. We need more cars. Oh, there's some in there. There's more cars, Mama. That's when we
We have lots of them.
Next one is this last car. Then next one is that one. It's not last car. That's not. Oh, that's something.
Another one is a police car.
Yeah.
Okay, go
Hey,
for it.
another police car, another one.
Oh, yeah.
But this one's for police car, race car. I love that car. This one, I love that one. Has spoiler in it.
I can go like here.
Whee!
Uh-oh,
And that
Where
one's
can we go? Next to the another truck.
1, 2.
Too many cars are.
Okay.
Alright, next one.
This is the last one to do. We need more spots. We need more space. I think it's okay. Oh, there's more space. And then after that, you go.
There's one space left.
Uh-huh.
Good.
This was hard. We need to go right here. Hey, have a purple car.
I want to
What happened?
Huh?
What happened?
Oh, it's not. Can it? There it goes. To the 50. The next one is okay.
Okay, we filled up the cars now, so
But-
there's no space.
It's okay because there's space at the front, so that's why I'm going backwards. So there's more space for them.
What's this space for?
It's the car.
We didn't use that part, so you can put the car in here then. Okay, next car goes.
But this one is fixed and this one is fixed.
Yeah, but different way. Ah! Put the lights up, please.
They're fixed. No, they're going out.
No, go through it. Okay.
Okay, now we go foot here, foot here. And last one. Then go here. We lock this one.
So this toy is very clever. You don't need a battery. You just make it to move by using this handle. And here.
Hey, I cannot move. Go away.
Oh, wow. What's this?
What's that?
I'm
1, 2, 3. 6 steps. Here we go. It's the last car.
So we need to go to the race car.
Our race car goes to here.
Wait, that one.
Okay, that's all for today. Is it? Goodbye.
Bye.
Look at the camera.
Let's play something else.